I'm gonna get y'all right with these price levels, so you know what you want to look for and what triggers that pullback, and what will be a signal that we are continuing to rally with strength. So let's pull up the Q chart really quick here. We got the QQQs on here. You see that weekly candlestick is a monster. This is crazy. That's a crazy candlestick right there. And we want to make sure that we either hold at least half of it. We don't want to do a 50. We don't want to do more than a 50% retracement. So if we did that, we'll say 50% down. This candlestick gave us what? It says like a $38 move. So about $19 down from where we are now. So from about 650, you take about $19. That puts us around 631. And that's kind of exactly where I have our put entry. You see right there, 629.91. It's honestly where the put entry naturally landed for me based on the weekly levels. And that's a 50% pullback. So that is definitely the price you want to watch for puts when it comes to the that's a 50% pullback. So that is definitely the price you want to watch for puts when it comes to the that's a 50% pullback. So that is definitely the price you want to watch for puts when it comes to the 629.91. I'm gonna put my alert on right now. Gotta set your notifications, gotta set your alerts. Because if not, there's so much going on in the market, you will miss it. You will miss these entries, and you will miss your take profit targets if you do not have alerts set. Set your alerts. And then we have potential call bounce. I'm looking at 640 as a potential bounce area for the Qs. If we pull back to 640 and hold support right here, you could look for a call entry right around this level. This is high risk call entry, so I will be careful right there at 640. Our strongest support area will be 630, 670. So this will be call entry. If we start closing the day below that level, then that means the level is given out. You don't want to enter that call off of that trigger. You want to see a little bounce. You want to see the retest. Maybe we go below that 636 for a little bit, and then we come back above it. On that retest back up, when you coming back above it, that's when you want to start jumping in that call and riding it up to 640, and then retesting the high at 650. Definitely not buying in calls at the all-time highs. So